This is a lifesaver. Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chi. I am a reseller and I do like fitness and all of that stuff. But today we're going to be talking about one thing that I've done to get my sales to increase rapidly. It's a cross-listing platform. So let's get into it. So the platform that I use is called Flyp, F-L-Y-P. What is Flyp? So Flyp is a platform where you can cross-list your items to multiple platforms, meaning from Poshmark to Mercari to eBay to Facebook Marketplace, Depop, and I think Etsy is on there as well. I don't use Etsy, but it's on there as well. So when you cross list, that gets your items seen to more eyes and then possibly more sales. So if you sell on more than one platform, this is great to use. Now, I have found that this one is the cheapest one out there. It's only $9 a month and you get to cross list. You can share your Poshmark. You can send offers to likers. You can follow other people on Poshmark, all of that jazz. Linked in the description. Check it out. So if you're new to reselling or you've been reselling for a while, but you want to list on other platforms, this is a lifesaver. So this is what I do. I post everything on Poshmark first, unless it's something that you can't sell on Poshmark. So I'll list it on Poshmark first, then it imports into the Flyp website. From there, you can cross list to Mercari, eBay, Depop, and all of the other things. I will put it on the screen right here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. But like I said, this has been a lifesaver. My sales have definitely increased from using this. Also, now that the Poshmark sharing is back, you can use this to share your closet and you don't have to sit there and manually do each one. Lifesaver, let me tell you. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. I will link this right down in the description. It's not really an affiliate link, but I do earn like a $10 Amazon gift card or something like that if you guys sign up for a free trial. So thank you in advance. You know me, I keep it real with you guys. I like to be authentic around here. Most of the other websites that do like the cross listing are expensive, anywhere from like $30 a month on. Now, another reason that I love Flyp is because they just added the auto delist if you sell an item. Oh my gosh, what a lifesaver. I don't have to manually go in and delete items. So say I sell something on Poshmark, give it a couple of minutes and it will go into your Flyp and it will delist it from Mercari, Depop, Facebook Marketplace, all of that jazz. So that's a lifesaver. I love that. Another thing that it does, which is new that they just brought out, is it does a auto import. So say I listed something on Poshmark and then 2 hours later, I listed 3 more things on Poshmark. Once you go into the Flyp app, it'll say syncing down at the bottom. It's like a little box and it's importing the new items that you just listed on Poshmark. So you don't have to do it manually, guys. We're resellers and we need to make it as easy as possible because we're out thrifting and getting inventory, taking pictures, everything. This is seriously a lifesaver. It has made my sales skyrocket through the roof. Not the only reason, but a main reason. Makes it such a breeze as a reseller to not have to take pictures and then manually put it in Depop and then manually put it in eBay. And another thing is you can save it. So like you can create a universal form if you want to. If you don't want to just do like import and then like I do, there's a universal form. You can put all the pictures on your computer and then do the universal form, do the brand, all that stuff, click save. And then when you go to put it on the platforms, it will already all be there. You just have to do like the shipping weight and like the little things and then click post. There you go. Such a lifesaver. I highly recommend it. Like I said, it's linked down in the description for you guys. All you have to do is click on it and sign up. It's $9 a month. You get a free trial, I believe, right now. As of right now, I don't know when you guys will be watching this, but as of right now, you guys get a free trial. So click on that link down in the description. It's the cheapest one out there and it works. Another great feature that it has is you can delete and relist items and it will tell you what has been on there from 60 to 90 days. So there's like a little thing at the top. I'll put it right here. You just click date listed oldest, I believe, and then click delist and relist, and then you just click on those. You can do like 10 delist and relist at a time, and that makes it so much easier, so you don't have to manually go in and delete the item, create similar. It will automatically do it for you. And honestly, by doing that, I was making those old listings new listings, and then I was actually selling the items. Also, another great thing is if your pictures kind of suck, you can take pictures, put them in the universal little thing there, and fix all of your photos, click save, and then all you have to do is click on Poshmark, click update listing, Mercari update listing, because you fix the photos. So they're already there, it's already saved, and all you have to do is click like 2 buttons, Poshmark update, Mercari update, and then your photos will be completely new on all of the apps. Saves you time. I'm telling you, $9 a month. If you are serious about reselling, this is like a no-brainer. So yeah, if you guys have any more questions about reselling or anything that you want me to talk about or make videos on, I definitely can. Just put those down in the comments there and let me know what your guys' favorite thing is that you are using as a reseller, whether it's like your inventory system or an app or something, like whatever it is, let me know down in the comments. So why get Flyp? It provides tools to help grow and simplify your reselling business. So I'm just going to put up on the screen right here exactly what the Flyp website does, Flyp, and you can screenshot this and read it and learn and grow your business. Also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Blondies Rack, Instagram, Blondies Rack, all of the things, and follow me on Poshmark as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video with your girl G. Also, if you want to know other reselling tips or watch thrifting videos, click that right up there. Bye!